Okay, in continuation with our build series on this Nano Talon full autopilot guided, GPS guided airplane, last night I decided to get the Taranis QX7 tuned up to accept Crossfire module and switch this over, and as well my quads over to Crossfire. To do that, you have to have a newer version of OpenTX than I was running. So while I was doing that, I figured, well, let's get everything going and let's do a LUA script where we can have the full glass cockpit and everything on our radio. So it was really easy. Update to the newest OpenTX. There's videos online. JC from Project Blue Falcon did an awesome job. And then go to the link, I'll link down below, and download the LUA script. Just copy it over to the SD card as per their instructions, nothing to it. Once it's on your radio, go in and set it up as the model. On the model select page, you want to go to the display. And on screen 1, I already had a screen 1 in this case. Actually, let's get you a better view. Screen 1, I already had one. So down to screen 2, I went ahead and changed it to script and selected iNav. That's all there is to it. This is the normal view. If I press page, I get my other RSSI view that I had before, but if I long press again, we have a full iNav display here. Okay, I had to take a quick spin upstairs here, but there we've got the full display on the screen. We've got an artificial horizon. We have different menus here where we can go to a different view instead of the glass cockpit, RSSI, satellites, our voltage readouts, our current, our speed, another display, blur out that GPS location. Overall, this is working quite perfectly, actually. This will add another level of safety to my flight. If my video was to fail, you can just pull the goggles off and take a look at this and you should be able to fly like this. Pretty familiar with instrument flying IFR when I was flying my flight sim, my Learjet. So with this artificial horizon, this data, pretty sure I can get the plane home if I have to. That should work slick. We'll take it out and give it a go.